super excited to be sharing with you my new home tour of my plot twist H-Town, Houston, Texas home. Come on in. Okay, so I'm gonna start in my dining room. So you're gonna see a very common theme and color scheme throughout the entire place. I worked with my stylist actually, Hema Prasad, who didn't ever before this do any home decor, but I love her style, and so I asked her to do this for me, and we worked with a company called Feather, which was really crazy, y'all, because I literally was telling Hema, like, oh, I don't want to commit to buying furniture because my life is so in limbo. Like, I don't know how long I'm going to be in Houston. I wasn't even expecting to be here. And so at the exact same time, a company called Feather reached out to me, and they do furniture rental in what was just, I think, New York, SF, and LA, but they expanded to Texas. And so the timing worked out. So everything you're gonna see in my apartment, for the most part, major furniture items, are all from Feather, and they're all rental furniture. And they're actually really cute because I was looking into rental furniture before I moved into this place, and all the companies were really like old school furniture, things you would see at like Mama and Papa Pandu's house that I did not want here. This is all Feather, y'all, like literally, like this dining table, these chairs, the art on the wall is all Feather. And then of course the like decor items, Hema went to like Target, and Joanne's craft shop is where she got these like beautiful little faux flower, I don't even know what they're called, but they're Tinty colors. That's also what you're gonna realize in my place, is there's a lot of live tinted themed color scheme, because I just wanted to I've always wanted to live and breathe this brand, and especially because I work from home now, I want that to kind of just come through in the color palette. So you're gonna see a lot of tinty colors in the mix. This thing right here is from H&M. It was like super affordable, and I felt like it looked really expensive, and I'm all about mixing like highbrow, lowbrow in my life. I love it. Like, I had a dinner party the other night, my first dinner party ever in like my adult life, that I like had food and like plates and really cute plates. All my plates and stuff are from our place. They're super, super cute. And you know the pan that's all over the internet? That's where I got my plates from, and it's from our place. I love it. It's actually a brown woman who founded the brand. Totally worth the investment. Totally worth the investment. So now we're in my living room, and I'm just really excited because when I first saw this couch, it was from Feather also, and I was like, oh, there's no way it's gonna be comfortable because it looks so pretty, and the color, like I really wanted, so obviously the lip tinted color palette is a lot of warms, oranges, marigolds, coppers, and hints of peaches, and you know, yellow tones and turmerics and things like that. But I also really love accents of teal and patina, and this couch just felt so perfect to kind of like balance out the palette a little bit from all those other, like, you know, brighter colors, to kind of bring it together in a very, like, I feel like regal way, I guess is a good word. But this couch is, y'all, like so cozy, and I did not expect it. So you can see the whole living room kind of comes together with similar yet different colors, and that was again all Hema. But what I really like is you're gonna see crystals all over my place, like random crystals everywhere. I've been getting into that since my LA life. And coasters are everywhere because I'm very 0 or 100. And with this place, I feel very 100, and if one thing is out of place, or if there's like a little watermark, I go kind of crazy. The other thing you're gonna notice in my living room is plants. I am back to being a plant mom, y'all. Like, when we were in LA, there was a plant that came with the unit, and I didn't really have a choice on that. But this time around, Hema and I picked 3 different plants, and I am going to be responsible for them. I, Deepica Mutyala, will be accountable for these plants. And I like the snake plant because it requires the least amount of work. The big tall one, I don't know what it's called, the jungle looking one, that one's TBD. But we're gonna try our best. So the main furniture in the living room is all from Feather. Like the couch, the sofa, the center table, the TV cabinet, the side tables, and the chairs are all from Feather. I guess I just really wanted this place to feel cozy. Like, hopefully when somebody comes in, they feel cozy vibes. And you'll also see that there's like books basically everywhere, which I really love. It's inspiring. A lot of them are by female writers, BIPOC writers, and just inspiring entrepreneurial books. And I feel like just walking around the place and having that energy feels really good for me, I guess. I think I told you all this before, but from my New York place to my LA place, I didn't chill at home a lot. And life has just changed since this pandemic, and I'm home and I'm trying to create a balance in my life and not work 24/7. And that is a big theme of why I really took the time to make this place feel like a real home. And I hope that kind of feeling comes through. So now we're in my bedroom. Welcome. Not many people have been here. Just kidding. No, I'm not kidding. That's a fact. So this bed is so cozy, y'all, and that was one of my goals too. It was like really, I've always wanted to be one of those people who has those like beds people just like want to like fall into, and then you just want to lay there your whole Sunday. I finally have it. The bed sheets and the duvet is all from Parachute. Again, you'll see more throws, more cozy layers of things. Then I got accent pillows. Those are from Target, but all paired with other things that also came from Feather. Like the bed frame came from Feather, the rug came from Feather, cabinet that the TV is on came from Feather, the sofa couch, is that called sofa couch? Whatever it is, the red sofa thing in the corner of my room is also from Feather, but then all my little accents are from just random places. And oh, the art above my bed, my friend Ragini made it, and you might remember it from my LA place. Basically, when I left LA, I gave everything from my LA place to my girl Raja Kumari. So when I go to her place now, it literally looks like my old LA place. And it was really hard to let go of it, but I kind of treated it as like a whatever, I'm starting over. But the art above my bed is from Ragini, and I wanted something that symbolized unity and good over evil. And so she kind of created this abstract version of the sun and the moon and hands coming together and uniting. It's just, I felt like that was like a really good thing to have above the bed and just really peaceful vibes, you know? So that's what's going down in my bed, and it is so cozy. But honestly, the bed underneath it is Casper, and that in itself is really cozy. I just always wanted to be that person who had like the thing that you just fell into, and it's amazing. Oh, one other thing I want to share is I brought those from LA, East Olivia. It is, what is it called? Pampas grass. It's very grammable. Everybody on the gram loves it. That is from East Olivia. They make the best pampas grass in the game, and I literally brought it from LA because I loved it that much. But you can order it from anywhere in the US, and it's a female-founded brand. You guys should definitely check it out. It just adds, again, really nice warmth to the room. And it's very Tinty vibes and color. Come into my closet. Okay, so I worked with a company called Neat Method and a local-based girl named Annie who did an incredible job. She spent an entire day going through my crazy closet. Hema helped me like clear out a ton of my stuff. I like Marie Kondo'd so much of my clothes, and she organized all of this, y'all. Like, look, check it out. I feel like everything is really in a great place, and you can see all of my things. I can see all of my things, which feels really nice. And I actually have another closet in my office because I, for the first time in my life, have a 2-bedroom because we're in H-Town and you can do that here, and I couldn't do that in LA. All right, this is personal, so I'm not gonna get you all up in my like bra and intimates sections in my home, but I do need to call out because I cleared out all my bras, y'all, and I'm starting from scratch. And all I own now are these cup bras and Skims. They're really great for people with big old chests like myself, and they're so comfortable. So all I have now is cups and Skims for my undergarments, and I'm obsessed with them. So my place has this random closet, and it felt like the perfect scenario to organize all my beauty products. So Annie from Neat Method came and organized everything very specifically based on like hair, makeup, body. It's all broken down into different types of makeup categories, and at the bottom I have all my giveaway stuff. I just feel like with the clear bins I can see what I have, and I'm really trying to get better about like, as you know, obviously part of my job is to use different beauty products, and so really being able to see everything is amazing, and having a giveaway so I can do giveaways with y'all and also give it to my friends. Welcome to my office. And okay, I know I said that one corner was one of my favorite parts of the home, but this has to probably be my absolute favorite because it's my first home office, y'all. Like when we first launched Live Tinted, I turned my garage into our office, but now I have a second room and it is my office, and it was really important to me to make this feel very warm but also inspiring. And so for the first time in my life, I have put a gallery wall of all my press together. And I'm not gonna lie, I felt very uncomfortable with it first. It felt really obnoxious. And then I was like, you earned this and you worked really hard for it. And I think it just makes me feel as though like, you know what, Deepica, you never stop to smell the roses. And this just reminds me that I'm doing the damn thing and I still have plenty more to go. So shout out to FrameBridge, by the way. FrameBridge is the company that did this for me. They're incredible, y'all. Like, they're incredible. Like, you have to check them out. They could do one frame, a full gallery wall like they did for me, and you can pick different kinds of frames. You send them the stuff, they send it back to you, super simple. And then the other parts of the place, like instead of getting a traditional standing desk like I normally would have, like I would have wanted a standing desk, I actually got Feather to send me a dining table so it could be big. And my goal is, we haven't done it yet because it's still in the process of getting done, is to get a standing desk stand. So part of it I can do the standing desk, but then I still have all this creative room to just work and just sit here and do work. And I love that, like, I have a room that I can shut, do my job, and the second I leave, I turn off. At least that's the goal. We're not there yet, but I'm working on it. And then other parts of the office, you know, like right in front of me, what I stare at is a tinted gallery wall from our very original days of building Live Tinted. We had this key art that we had envisioned and certain images that really inspired us in the early days. And so I wanted that to be in the office too, because I stare at it every day and it's a constant reminder of where we started. And behind me is like everywhere that what we've done so far. And I feel like that kind of synergy between the two just reminds me to keep going. Oh, and this office actually has its own separate bathroom. And in that bathroom, I have not much. The one thing I do have in there are my towels, and I just discovered Brooklinen towels. I never thought I'd be passionate about towels, but these Brooklinen towels are super plush and cozy and comfy, and most days I am just in my towel and lay on my bed and check emails because it is that cozy and comfy, and I'm obsessed with them. You guys have to check them out. Okay, some of y'all may think it's weird that I'm talking about this, but I went my whole New York and LA life without having a laundry room. So I now have a laundry room in my actual unit and it feels amazing. So Annie also organized the top of here, and you can see that we got color coordinated baskets to put towels in. All my nice Brooklinen towels are in there. All my parachute sheets are over there. And I have now a new addition of face masks, little drawer situation, because yeah, pandemic life, and it is very nice to be able to do laundry whenever I want. And that is my home tour. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and yeah, giddy up, Texas. I don't know, that was cheesy. All right, bye guys.